You got to be careful. The wind's picking it up. It's going to go pretty weird. Up there it goes.
That was a good throw, buddy. Don't throw your body. You know how you're doing this? You're moving your body. Keep your body straight. No, watch out, straight. See how I'm just going like this? Keeping it flat and keeping my feet here. I'm not moving my body. Okay? See how it goes forward more?
That was really messed up, Nana. It was wobbling.
Pick it up. You can't get frustrated. Practice makes perfect. Stand sideways like I showed you.
Good luck. Nana's not going to chase you.
I'm not chasing you. Do you know how old I am? Spot on. I know it's
Nana can't chase you. She doesn't have that good of legs. You're going to make yourself sore later, Mom.